What's up guys? It's Seth here back with another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have our vicrez wheels, and this one is vzn102593, as you can see up here. And this is our Redeye Demon style wide body matte black wheels. And the size is 20 by 11, and then the offset is -2.5, and the camber is 71.6, and the bolt pattern is 5 by 115. Now let's go ahead and get this open so we can show you what it looks like. Now each of our rims are protected in several different ways to ensure that it arrives safely to you guys. One of the things being this cardboard insert. Now this protects all the edges as well as the face of the rim. Then we also have it inside of a plastic bag, which helps keep any dust and debris off of it and scratching up the paint. Then we also have a face cover for it. And this is reusable, so if you're taking off your old rims and still want to keep the face protected, you can throw this on it to help protect them. We also have this plastic rim guard to help protect the edges from denting in or getting any scratches on them. And then just a bit of foam for the extra added security. As you can see, this is one of our 5-spoke rims, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's also in our matte black look. And it also comes with our vicrez center cap, which we have in, I believe, 3 different color options if you would like to swap it out during checkout. That's pretty much it for this rim. If you'd like to see more videos like this or an install video on this rim, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. And if you want to see more unboxing videos, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.